yung binabasa niya, wala pang picture eh. Turn around. What's that?
Wow, very good. Honey.
Car.
Good job.
Car.
Very good.
Okay. Next word.
What's that?
Next word. I'll put it back. Next word. I'll help you. This one. Here.
What's that?
Now.
Oh my God.
My mouth. Okay, I'll help you. I'll help you put it back.
At the back. What's at the back?
Now.
Very good. Good job. Okay, put it back, mommy.
Dog.
Oh my God. Okay, next word.
Dog.
Very good.
Echoes.
Good job.
Here's one.
What's that?
A pink one.
The pink one,
Pink one.
mommy.
Okay, how about this one word? Last word.
Elephant.
Very good.
I want you to read the word first, okay?
What's
Alright.
that?
Up. Up.
Mhm.
Down.
Arms up, arms down. Very good.
Good job. Oh no. Here's for the pink one. The pink. Okay. Huh?
Drinking.
Oh my God. Very
Drinking.
good.
Drinking. All right.
Good job.
Now turn back. What's that?
Cheats.
Good job. Teeth. She knows it.
Good job.
All right. Now how about this one?
No. Horses.
Horses.
Good.
It's just one horse. Horse.
Cows. Cows.
Close. Okay. Close. All right.
What's that?
Smiling.
Say it again.
Smiling.
Sitting.
Smiling.
The girl is smiling and sitting at the same time. Good job. All right.
What else?
How about this word?
You know that?
Hand.
But
And?
about this word?
Hand.
That.
No.
Your hands has this word. What are these?
Finger.
Okay,
Very
fingers.
good.
Okay, 5 fingers.
What's that?
Drum.
Oh my
Drum.
God.
Cows.
I think because of the drawing also.
No, it's she
No,
didn't-
yung
she
drawing.
didn't see the,
No,
the,
no,
the
no.
ball, the,
No,
the
no, no, wala,
progress.
no, Daddy.
Cow.
Okay,
What's that?
Sparrow.
Good. Very good.
How about this word? This word. You're not yet done. Last one.
No.
You want another one? Want another one?
No. These.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy, got these. Ooh, let me show you.
What's that? What's that? What word is that?
What's this word?
Ooh,
She said red.
point.
Good job.
How about the other one?
Joe, this is a view.
What's this word?
Swing. 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 Ear.
Very
Good job.
Ear.
Good job.
Alright. How about this word? What about this word? It's a big word.
Timmy.
What's that?
Tim Spency.
Very good. Fancy.
Very good.
Turn around. Turn it back. Flip it.
Cards.
Cards, yeah. Flashcard. How about this word?
Fast cards.
Flashcards. How about this word? Tell me about the word first. Read a word.
What's the word first?
Smiling.
Very good.
Very good.
Smiling.
Don't open it, okay? Good job.
What
What's
about that?
Rattle.
Wow.
Rattle.
Very good.
Babies. Babies.
Babies rattle.
Okay. There's another one right here.
Nililito siya ng ng drawing minsan.
Good job.